I'm up here on the mountain today and I'm getting absolutely pounded by the wind, but I'm making the most of it. Cooking up a cup of coffee today. I'm going to be trying Blackbeard's Delight from the Black Coffee Company. I just got the bag open and it's so far some of the best smelling coffee I've ever smelled. They better be making some good stuff at Black Coffee Company because it is freezing. That's pretty good actually. It's got like a sweetness inside. It's almost like I put maple syrup in it.